In the last video I posted on old Hansa's transmission, that's my 300E, we made the discovery there was a big problem with this B2 piston binding up in the bore, particularly on this aluminum sleeve. But, and that's a big but, I was suspicious about the potential of other problems in the transmission, so I said I was going to take it apart. Boy, am I glad I took it apart. Can you imagine if I would have seen this problem and I would have said, hey, let's just put in a new B2 piston with a nylon sleeve and bolt that baby back up and put it back in the car. We would be ready to go, right? Boy, would I have been shocked, because could you imagine the feeling? You go out on the road and the transmission would still not shift. Let me show you what I found when I took this transmission apart. It was not pretty. I think some of you are going to be shocked when you see this. When I pull the core out of the case, you know, the drum here, this is the K2 drum, came out with everything. And I noticed there was quite a few burn marks on it, as well as some deep scoring. And I reached down and tried to remove the K2, and it wouldn't budge. This is supposed to just slide right off. So I had to take it back in the shop. The only way we could get this off was to cut it in half. Look at that. There's so much heat in there. All the clutch discs are destroyed. Some of the edges of the clutches are bonded to this piece. And it's like, what? We had so much heat in there that this thing was seized, absolutely seized, not turning on the inside of the transmission. So that's why it was not going out of first gear. I think what happened here was there was a B2 failure, and the B2 brake band was rubbing, constantly rubbing on the drum, creating so much heat that it bonded this to the centerpiece. Isn't that something? Unbelievable. So what's the moral of the story here? Well, if you have one of these older transmissions, you might want to check to make sure you have the B2 piston upgrade and that it is moving smoothly in the bore.